Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Revolut Integrations, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you understand and utilize the various integrations available with Revolut, a popular digital banking platform. To start, Revolut offers a range of integrations with other services and applications, allowing you to streamline your financial management and automate various tasks. These integrations can be accessed through the Revolut app, where you can link your account to other services such as accounting software, budgeting apps, and even social media platforms. The first step in using Revolut integrations is to access the Revolut app and navigate to the Settings or Integrations section. Here, you will find a list of available integrations, which can be activated by following the on-screen instructions. For example, if you want to integrate Revolut with an accounting software like QuickBooks, you will need to enter your QuickBooks login credentials and authorize the connection. One of the key benefits of Revolut integrations is the ability to automate tasks such as expense tracking and invoicing. By linking your Revolut account to an accounting software, you can automatically import transactions and generate invoices, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. Additionally, you can use integrations with budgeting apps to track your spending and stay on top of your finances. Another important concept to understand is the use of APIs and webhooks in Revolut integrations. APIs, or application programming interfaces, allow different applications to communicate with each other and exchange data. Webhooks, on the other hand, enable real-time notifications and updates between applications. By using APIs and webhooks, you can create custom integrations and automate complex workflows. To get the most out of Revolut integrations, it is essential to follow best practices such as securing your account and data, regularly monitoring your integrations, and testing new integrations before deploying them in a production environment. You should also ensure that you have the necessary permissions and authorizations to access and use the integrations. In conclusion, Revolut integrations offer a powerful way to extend the functionality of the Revolut platform and automate various financial tasks. By following the steps outlined in this guide and understanding the key concepts and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of Revolut integrations and take your financial management to the next level. Whether you are a business owner, accountant, or individual user, Revolut integrations can help you streamline your finances and achieve your goals.